Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well, and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us today. Our seasonal recipe is none other than the delicately balanced flavor of elderflower. So we're going to be making elderflower cordial. Without washing our elderflower, you're going to place them into a large container, and then you're going to get hot water and you're going to make sure that they're covered, and then you're going to place the cover over them and leave them for 24 hours to bring out that natural flavor of the elderflower. Next, we're going to pour out the liquid into a bowl using a muslin cloth or a cotton tea towel, just to make sure any residue bits are not in the syrup. We're going to put the elderflower liquid into a large saucepan, and into that we're going to add 2 cups of sugar. We're going to add the juice of 2.5 lemons, making sure we leave some slices for later on. We'll leave that to simmer gently and come to a slow boil, and then we'll take it off the gas and we'll pour it through another cloth and a strainer for the final time, and then we're going to leave that to cool down. Once it's cooled down, you can add your lemon slices and just leave that for a little bit, and then you can decant it into your bottles. Et voila! Here we have our elderflower cordial with its fresh and fruity and soft undertones that make this cordial just so delicious and so refreshing. Enjoy!